Unlock the power of Higgsfield and revolutionize your workflow. Here's exactly how to get started. First things first, head over to the official Higgsfield website. You'll find a clear navigation structure leading you to the Access or Get Higgsfield section. This is your gateway. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the pricing options. Higgsfield typically offers various subscription plans tailored to different needs, so choose the one that best fits your goals and budget. If Higgsfield is a downloadable platform, the website will prompt you to download the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully for a smooth download process. For installation, you'll likely encounter a straightforward setup wizard. Just click Next, accept the terms, and let the installer do its magic. It's designed to be user-friendly. After installation, you'll need to create an account or login. If you've already subscribed, this is where you'll enter your chosen credentials to activate your access. Encounter a snag? Don't worry, common installation issues often relate to system requirements or internet connectivity. Ensure your system meets the basic specifications and that your connection is stable. The Higgsfield support page is also a great resource for troubleshooting. And just like that, you're in. You've successfully accessed Higgsfield and are ready to explore its full potential. Happy innovating!